Hello, Keon. Nope. The internet doesn't work in my room. Every time I try to start a meeting, I get knocked out. The internet doesn't work in there. It works out here, but it doesn't work in my room.
Go figure.
I mean, I was freaking out yesterday too. I couldn't do a Zoom meeting in my classroom.
Did you tell Malcolm?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, at least you figured out a way. I guess that's what we do.
I guess that's what I do. It's crazy.
I might be making a few more laps.
I'm freezing out here. Oh, really? Hello, Carrie. Hi, Mackenzie. Hi, Kirsten.
Hi, Mr. Wise.
Hello, Mohammed. Hello, Hans.
Hello, Mr. Weiss.
Hello. Hello, Elijah. Hi, Jay.
I shaved. Also,
Yeah.
are you in the hallway right now?
I am. I can't access the internet inside my classroom. So I'm in the hallway because I can access the internet in the hallway. Just starting. Yeah. No problem. Hi, Navy. Elliot. I got some bad New Year's jokes for you. In honor of the new year, why was 6 afraid of 9? Because 9.
7, 8, 9.
Yeah, but 9, 8, 7. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Why do birds fly south for New Year's Eve?
So they can warm up.
It's too far to walk. Not to brag, but I already have a date for New Year's Eve. It's December 31st. My New Year's resolution is to stop procrastinating, but I'll wait till tomorrow to start. Thank you very much.
Stop, please.
promise not to make any bad jokes for the rest of the year, said a dad on New Year's Eve. Why should you put your new calendar in the freezer? It's to start off the new year in a cool way. What does a ghost say on January 1st? Happy Boo Year. Hello, Taj, by the way. What's the problem with jogging on New Year's Eve? The ice falls out of your drinks. My New Year's resolution is to be more optimistic by keeping my cup half full with either rum, vodka, or whiskey. What's a cow's favorite holiday? Moo Year's Day. Yes, I meant it when I said there would be bad times. All right. So. Do you remember? Here we go. Remember, oh, Merrick. Okay. Remember how we did solving by graphing, right? So for example, in this one, y equals 4/5 x minus 3. Remember, minus 3 is the intercept. So we put a dot on minus 3, right? And the slope is 4/5, which means you go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Click. And the other equation starts at -8. So start at -8. And this slope is -1/5. So I go down 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click. What is my intersection point there? Right there. That point is -5. What?
8? -5, 8.
-5, -7 looks like to me. Don't forget parentheses. -5, -7. Boom, right? Could I please have a thumbs up? Could you click on the reactions button and click thumbs up if you understand, remember what I did there? Thank you, Malik. Thank you, Carrie. Thank you, Elijah.
I give you a clap instead.
I'll take the clap. Thank you. Well, I don't want to get the clap, but I'll take a clap. Mackenzie, Kirsten, Jay, thank you. Hans, Libby, thank you. Thank you. Good job. Okay. All right. Yes, of course, Hans, you can finish the work from yesterday when you're done with today's. Absolutely. All right. So then, after that, after we did graphing, we did substitution. For example, let me do it. Okay, here. Remember, y equals 2x minus 7. So -6x plus 7y. Remember, instead of y right here, we're going to put in 2x minus 7, right? Okay, right? So y is 2x minus 7. Instead of y, you put in 2x minus 7, right? And then you distribute the 7, gives you 14x minus 49, right? Combine like terms. You wind up getting x equals 8. If x equals 8, you throw that 8 all the way back in here. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 minus 7 is going to give me 9, right? So my answer is going to be 8, 9, right? 8, 9. Okay. May I have another thumbs up if you remember that one, substitution? Thank you, Kirsten, Nivi, Taj, Mackenzie, Leah, thank you, Hans, Carrie. Merrick, does that X mean you don't understand what I just did there? Malik, thank you. Merrick, thank you. Okay. All right. Muhammad, you gave me an X there. Does that mean you don't understand what I did? There, okay, I'll take the check. That's good. Okay. All right. Merrick, a little confused? Okay, so let's do that one more time. You see y equals 2x minus 7, right? So do you see the blue y right here? Okay. Oh, I'm not sharing my screen. Thank you for telling me. Sorry. Okay. So you see y equals 2x minus 7. So you see the blue y in this second equation, right? Instead of this blue y, I'm going to put in this red 2x minus 7. Merrick, can I have a thumbs up if that much makes sense? Okay, good. So now you see, instead of having an x and a y in one equation, now I just have x's in the equation. So I can solve for x, okay? So I distribute the 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times minus 7 is minus 49. Right? Negative 6 plus 14 is 8. Add 49 to both sides, divide by 8, you get x equals 8. Once you have x equals 8, then you take this y equals 2x minus 7 again. Instead of x, though, you put in 8, right? When y equals 2x minus 7, you put that 8 in for x, okay? 2 times 8 is 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. So y is 9, x is 8. So your answer is 8, 9. Oh, okay. Yeah, good. Yes. All right, good. Okay. So now, Keon, to answer your question, no, you still have work to do today. But now I'm going to show you what today's lesson is. All right. There is a third way to find x and y to solve. All right. And that's called elimination. All right. What's elimination? Well, do you see right here in my two equations, one has positive 5x, the other has negative 5x. Okay. So here's what's going to happen. I'm just going to add the two equations together. When I add the two equations together, what happens? Positive 5x and negative 5x, they drop out, right? So what's negative 9y and negative 2y? Negative 11y. What's -7 and -26? -33. Divide by -11. And y equals 3. Now, I pick either the top equation or the bottom equation. Does not matter which one. I'm going to pick the top equation. All right. So now 5x minus 9, instead of y, I'm putting in 3 equals -7. Okay. Because y equaled 3, right? So 5x minus 9 times 3 is 27 equals -7. Add 27 to both sides. I get 5x equals 20. Divide 5. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. So my answer is 4, 3. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. Could I please have a thumbs up if you understand what just happened there? Kirsten, thank you. Nivi, thank you. Taj, thank you. Malik, thank you. Hans, thank you. Merrick, thank you. Thank you, Elijah. Jay, you over there? You good, Jay? Or are you sleeping over there? Or are you smoking some hashish? Okay,
That means grass in my language.
I know. In fact, all right. Let's do another one. This time, do you see that there's a -4y and a +4y, right? So what's going to happen? The 4y's are going to drop out when you add the two together. -9x, +7x makes -2x equals 4. Divide -2. X equals -2. This time I'm going to choose the bottom equation. All right. 7, instead of x, I'm putting in -2 plus 4y equals 14. 7 times -2 is -14 plus 4y equals 14. I'm going to add 14 to both sides. 4y equals 28. Divide 4. Y equals 7. Answer: -2, 7. One more time, can I have a thumbs up, please, if we're good? Thank you, Kirsten. Thank you, Carrie. Thank you, Hans. Thank you, Nivi. Thank you, Mohammed. That'll work. Thank you, Elijah. Thank you, Merrick. Nivi, thank you. Taj, thank you. Jay, you showed back up again. Thank you. Thank you, Mackenzie. All right, we're good, we're good. Taj, thank you. Malik, thank you. Okay. Now, let me ask you this. Look at this situation. You see, you have +10x and +10x. Well, wait a minute. Problem. If I add those together, that makes 20x, right? It doesn't drop out. So what am I going to do? What I'm going to do is I'm going to force it to drop out. How do I force it to drop out? Here's what I'm going to do.
I was about to say divide.
No, dividing is not what I'm going to do. Here's what I'm going to do.
No. Okay, for the one on the bottom, swap the 2y to so
So you know what the good thing is here is I can just mute him.
but I can unmute.
That's true. I'll just keep muting you. All right. I'm going to take that equation there and I'm going to multiply by -1. Huh? Here, watch what happens, right?
Convert to negative.
Okay. So this stays the same. 10x plus 9y equals -17. But the
Then you-
bottom,
For
what
the bottom
happens to
one,
the
you get
bottom?
negative
Negative
10x
10x.
plus
But-
2y.
Right, this
equals negative
negative over
16.
here changes to plus 2y. But then I gotta make it -16 because whatever you do to one term, you do to every term. Whatever you do to one term, you do to every term. Okay. So now, all right. Now what happens is, yeah, these two guys, whoops, drop out, right? And 9y and 2y makes 11y. -17 and -16 makes -33. Divide by 11. Y equals -3. Okay. So now I'm going to use the top equation. 10x plus 9 times, instead of y, I'm putting in -3 equals -17. 10x. 9 times -3 is -27 equals -17. I'm going to add 27 to both sides. And 10x equals 10. Divide by 10. And x equals 1. Answer. 1, -3. There you go. Yeah. Sorry, Hans, I can't perma mute him. All right. Could I please have a thumbs up one more time if you understand everything I did there? Thank you, Elijah, Hans, Carrie, Kirsten, Taj, Leah, Malik, Muhammad, thank you. Merrick, Mackenzie, thank you. By the way, Mackenzie gave me the heart. That's good. You can give me any emoji you'd like to give me. Thank you, Jay. However, if you give me the thumbs down, I will assume that you didn't understand. Yes, Jay, very good. Ah, that's a new one, Hans.
There isn't the thumbs down.
Thanks, Mohammed. Okay. Thank you, Jay. All right. Jay got to run through all the emojis there. Very good, very good. Okay. Let me do one more of those, please. Please tell me now. All right. No. No. Here. Do you see this time it's -7y and -7y? That no work. So what am I going to do? I'm going to multiply by -1. All right. This guy over here will remain 7x minus 7y equals 7. But the bottom one now, that's going to be positive 4x plus 7y equals positive 26. And once
There's
again,
something I realized for the first one, actually.
that's so good.
If you do everything that is needed to be done, X is
I'll try to keep muting him all the time, see what happens. So the -7y and the positive 7y drop out, right? So we got 11x equals 33. Divide 11. X equals 3. Once again, I'm going to use the top equation. 7 times, instead of x, I'm putting in 3, minus 7y equals 7. 7 times 3 is 21, minus 7y equals 7, minus 21 from both sides. I get -7y equals -14. Divide -7.
and we can easily tell y equals -2.
Actually, it's +2 because a negative divided by a negative is a positive. Answer is, be careful, don't tell me it's 2, 3. The answer is 3, 2. One more time, may I please have a thumbs up if we're good, or some kind of emoji. Thank you, Kirsten. Hans, Carrie, Elijah, thank you. Mackenzie, Merrick, thank you. Muhammad, thank you. Malik, Taj, Jay, Keon, thank you. What is that emoji? What the heck? I don't even see it. Oh my God, you have all kinds of choices here. Look at that. You can click on more. You can click on any kind of emoji, huh? Look, here's a truck. Huh. Look at that. What is that, Keon? It looks like a pickle. Nice monkey, Mackenzie. Kirsten, Tweety Bird. All right. The okay from America. I like it. All right. So now let's take a look here. Okay. So here's what your assignment will look like. All right. So here we go. See here, it's plus 5y and minus 5y, right? You just add them together, right? And you get -3x equals -9. No problem there, right? I just did that one. But here, right, you have to multiply one of them by -1, right? So this will be minus x, minus 7y, and minus 32. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. Today you have a Delta math assignment. All right. I'm going to now sit here with you. I'm just going to leave the meeting open. Okay. So this class Let me double check. This class, we go until 12:36 today. So it's 12:19 right now. I will stay with you until 12:36. So go ahead and start your assignment, and I will sit here with you. If you have questions, ask.
Mr. Weiss,
Oh,
I have a
but
question.
I'm gonna try to mute him. No, okay, go ahead. What's your question, Mo?
How come there were like, do you know why there were problems yesterday with student view?
No, because that's technology for you. That's why I'm sitting in the hallway instead of my classroom, because technology. I can't get the internet in my classroom, so I'm sitting in the hallway. Merrick, that is a good question. If you finish, you are more than welcome to leave. If you are done, you can go.
We can leave. Okay.
When you're done, when you
Yeah, I already
finish,
finished.
you finished,
Got one
Yeah.
thing to
have a
say.
good day, say no to drugs.
Muhammad sucked.
But I'm gonna stay a little bit. So
Oh, because you love me. Cameron, I didn't see you sneak in over there.
Mr. Weiss, your bars are on yellow. Oh, no, they're back to normal. Never mind. I think the Wi-Fi is still bad even in the hallway. Would you look at that? It's 12:36.
Oh, is it? It is.
Mhm.
Okay, he's right. So have a good day. Say no to drive. Oh, if I see you tomorrow, if I don't see you tomorrow, that's because it's snowed in. Have a good one.